गुड मॉर्निंग, सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम है बियान गोयल। मैं कक्षा यूकेजी में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आप सबके सामने गीत सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। पेड़ लगाओ, सारे मिलकर पेड़ लगाओ। धरती पर हरियाली लाओ, प्रदूषण को तुम दूर भगाओ। पेड़ हमें दे फल और फूल, उन्हें करने की मत करो भूल। पेड़ लगाओ, सारे मिलकर पेड़ लगाओ। धन्यवाद। Good morning everyone. My name is Siti Bhera. I taught in LKG Osni Public School Varangi. पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ बचाओ, दुनिया को सुंदर बनाओ। पेड़ पौधा ना करो नष्ट, सांस लेने में होगा कष्ट। चलो पेड़ पौधा लगाएं, धरती को खुशहाल बनाएं। थैंक यू। Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friends. I am Saraswati Mishra, class UKG, Rasni Public School, Blangi. I decided to poem about Ban Mahotsav. पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ। पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ। छाया ही हमको देते, फल ये हमको देते, बाढ़ से हमको बचाते, जिससे दूर हटाते। हम भी पेड़ लगाएंगे, जी संसार को हरा भरा बनाएंगे। Save the tree, save the earth. We are guiders of nature path. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Shashwat Nanda. I am reading in class UKG. Today I speak about Ban Mahotsav. Ban Mahotsav is the annual tree planting festival of India. It is celebrated from 1st to 7th July. It was started in 1950 by Sri K.M. Munshi. Tree gives us oxygen, wood, food, rubber, and many other things. So everyone is encourage planting sapling and glue after it. Honorable Principal, all teachers and my brothers and sisters, today I am going to speak about the importance of Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is observed every year for a week to awareness people how to take care of trees and grow big forest. Mainly it is a festival of awareness among people to save trees. They most feel that they get oxygen and other food from trees. People cannot live without oxygen. Mainly during COVID-19, large number of people died for want of oxygen which we get from trees. So from the childhood we should know the importance of trees. So Vanamotsav is observed every year for a week to teach how and why to take care of trees and grow big forests. Thank you. I am Aparna Singh from class 2, Rosni Public School, Sulpada, Balangir.
Good morning everyone. I am Advita Misra, class 6 from Roshni Public School. Today I am going to speak short speech on Ban Mahotsav. Ban Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1 July till 7 July. It was started on 21st August 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Food, to spread awareness among the people. Ban Mahotsav is also known as the festivals of trees and the festivals of life. Trees are the most precious gift given to mankind, but man are destroying for his own selfish. Amazing the world where are no trees and no forests. I know it is really hard to imagine. For the law of nature, we are saved to and preserved. I conclude my speech with a short message. जिस दिन मरोगे उस दिन एक पेड़ साथ लेकर जाओगे. जिस दिन मरोगे उस दिन एक पेड़ साथ लेकर जाओगे. प्रकृति का जो कर्ज है वो तो चुका दो यारो. जीते जी तो पेड़ लगा दो यारो. Thank you everyone.
ईश्वर का वरदान है पेड़, वातावरण की शान है पेड़, मानव की सांस है पेड़, मत तुम इनको काटो. With this, I am Salpika Acharya from class 9 going to give a beautiful speech on this occasion Ban Mahotsav by respecting principal, madam, teachers and my dear brother and sister. As we all know, Ban Mahotsav is a festival started by Dr. K.M. Munshi ji in the year 1950. He was the Union Agriculture Minister of India. He created this festival to create awareness among the people regarding forest conservation and planting trees. Now this is a long week festival. Ban Mahotsav, the word is made up of two words. Ban means forest and Mahotsav means festival. Means this festival is also known as the festival of forest. This festival is celebrated all over India starting from 1st July and end at 7 July. This festival serves us important purposes like soil conservation, reducing global warming, pollution, acid rain, providing fuel and also preserve wildlife. This is an annual tree planting movement. India is among the 10th largely forested country all over the world. It contains 16 different types of forest in it. Dear friends, we cannot make a new environment, but we can save our environment. So come together and make our world full of greenery by planting trees and make our life full of happiness. At last, if you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. And if you save a tree, you save a life. So come together and plant trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all. My name is Jastude Bhargamer and I am from class 8. So friends, I am telling about on trees. Trees. I love all the trees. Trees can be short, trees can be tall. Whatever kind, I like them all. They give us oxygen, they give us air. We give them love, we give them care. They need water, soil, space and light. We give them those things day and light. The tree is the pride of the earth. Let's we make greenery on the earth. The medicine we get from trees, which we could get rid of disease. We will plant trees, we save nature, create a clean environment, we will create a future. Thank you. Have a nice day, my friends.
A warm and hearty good morning to our respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Vaibhavi Naik from class 9th. Today I would like to share my thought on an important topic, that is Ban Mahotsav. Ban Mahotsav is celebrated on 1st of July to 7th of July. It was first started in the year 1950 by Sri K.M. Munshi. And Ban Mahotsav is celebrated as a tree planting day of India. It marks the creation and celebration of a new life. So everyone are encouraged to plant a sapling and looked after it. Plant provide us many things like oxygen, food, wood, and many other things. It play a very important role in our life. It also absorbs all the harmful gases from the air like carbon dioxide and also help in bringing rain and reduces soil erosion too. Some of the trees contain medical properties also, which are very helpful for us. But nowadays, we humans are destructing trees day by day in order to live luxurious life. But we all have to understand that living luxurious life it does not help us because if we don't get enough oxygen to breathe, so we face a big problem. So I want to say that plant more and more tree in our surrounding and make our surrounding an healthy environment. On this Ban Mahotsav day, many NGOs, agencies, and school students are making poster and also planted trees to spread love for nature. At last but not the least, I want to say that save trees and save life on earth. By saying this, I, Vaibhavi, conclude my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, myself Krishna Thakur Mitra, student of class 10 studying in Rothim Public School, Balangir, presenting myself in front of you to say something about the festival Bana Mahotsav. Bana Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival celebrated in the month of July, in which thousands of trees are planted throughout the country. It is celebrated for a week starting from 1st of July to 7th of July to spread awareness about the conservation of forest and to save the environment. During this week, the people of our country plant saplings and spread awareness about the importance of trees. The festival Bana Mahotsav was started from the year 1950. The then Agriculture and Food Minister K.M. Munshi has declared planting of trees from 1st to 7th of July as a national activity and named it as Bana Mahotsav. Before him, a Punjabi botanist named M.S. Randhawa has organized planting of trees from 20 to 27 July 1947. The then Delhi Police Commissioner Khurshid Ahmad Khan has inaugurated this event on 20 July to stress the impact of deforestation in our environment. This flourishing plantation drive was also undertaken by national leaders like Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Jawaharlal Nehru. Now during this COVID pandemic, the need of oxygen is becoming greater and greater. It is seen from a report that the area having a lot of collection of green environment are showing a less impact of COVID-19 on them. There is no loss on planting trees, but we may suffer from many problems on cutting trees. Nowadays, the number of trees are rapidly getting reduced due to activity like deforestation. Trees contribute in producing food resources, maintaining ecological balance, improving air quality, conserving water, etc. Today, the human world is seeing many problems like global warming, melting of ice glacier, pollution, etc. This all could be solved if everyone starts planting trees. Bana Mahotsav mainly aims in increasing the number of trees. So, as much as possible, we have to plant trees and encourage others for planting trees. We should not compromise with planting trees. So, in this festival of trees, let's get together and contribute by planting trees. Now, such small contribution can lead to a big change in this world. By saying this, I am concluding my speech. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all. My name is Simur Kumar Raut from class 9, Roshni Public School. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on Bhan Mahotsav Festival. The Bhan Mahotsav Festival is an annual tree planting festival of India. It is celebrated in the first week of July. It was initiated in the year 1950 by India's Union's Minister for Agriculture, Dr. K.M. Munshi. This festival has gained immense importance and every year. Every citizen of India has to plant a sapling on the observation of Bhan Mahotsav week. It is expected that every citizen of India has to plant a sapling in the Bhan Mahotsav week. It helps to spread awareness amongst people about the harm caused by cutting down of trees. So it is my request to you all that plant as much tree you can. So we can save our earth.
My name is Rudrani Priyadarshini Sahu. I study in class 2. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I would say about Vanmoshav. It is an annual tree planting festival of India. It is celebrated from 1st July to 7th July. It was started on 21st August 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munshi. Vanmoshav is also known as Festival of Trees and Festival of Light. Thousands of saplings are planted in India by the people during this week of the year. Each one of you are requested to give each other sapling and plants as a token of love. In the end, I would like to say, save a tree to save a life, to plant a tree to plant a life. मैं अभी एक कविता बोलूंगी। मैं हूँ पेड़, मुझे मत काटो, टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में मुझे मत बांटो। दर्द मुझे भी होता है, मन मेरा भी रोता है। मैं हूँ मित्र तुम्हारा, सखा हूँ सबसे न्यारा। मेरे फल खुद नहीं खाता हूँ, सब तुम्हें तो दे जाता हूँ। जहरीली गैस भी पी जाता हूँ, शुद्ध हवा तुम तक पहुँचाता हूँ। मैं हूँ जीवन का आधार, फिर भी तुम मुझ पर करते प्रहार। सुनो बात तुम कान लगाकर, वृक्ष का करना सम्मान। मैं हूँ जीवन का आधार। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. I am Shruti Rani Sahu. My school name is Roshni Public School. I study in class 2. First I wish you all a very happy Vanmoshav. Vanmoshav is the annual tree planting festival of India. It is celebrated on July 1st week every year. It was started in 1950 by Sri K.M. Munshi. Trees are important in our lives. They give us oxygen, food, wood, rubber and many other things. मैं आज एक सुंदर सी कविता बोलूंगी। मेरे कविता का शीर्षक है मत काटो मत काटो। वन से हमारा जीवन है, वन से हमारे प्राण। मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान। वन हो तो कितनी हरियाली, वन ना हो तो सब बेजान। मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान। वन से है नदियों में पानी, वन है पर्यावरण की शान। मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान। वन है किसी का रैन बसेरा, वनों में है औषधियों की खान। मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान। थैंक यू। गुड मॉर्निंग प्रिंसिपल मैडम एंड माय टीचर। मैं श्रियान साहू कक्षा 3 से मैं एक कविता बोलने जा रहा हूँ पेड़ के बारे में। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाए, हरा भरा ये देश बनाए। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाए, हरा भरा ये देश बनाए। वातावरण को स्वच्छ बनाए, इस जीवन को स्वस्थ बनाए। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाए।
Sadarji from class 4. Today I say something about Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1st July till 7th July. It was started by Dr. K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister for the Food and Agriculture, on 21st August 1950 to spread awareness among the people about the benefits and protection of trees and the harm caused by cutting down of trees. Trees have long served humanity in one form. On the other hand, humans can only threaten their very long existence for the sake of urbanization and globalizations. Humans recklessly cutting down the trees and destroying forests. Now it's our turn to reverse the damage that we have caused and restore the balance between humans and nature. So let us all welcome the monsoons by planting a tree during Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav gives us opportunity to fulfill our duty towards environment and towards trees. So let us celebrate Van Mahotsav with full vigor and enthusiasm and place to make this planet greener ever than before. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. If you kill a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. Thank you all, friends.
Hello everyone, myself Nitin Andas. I come from Roshni Public School. I study in class 1. Today I talk about Bana Mahotsav. Bana Mahotsav is a festival of tree. So every year we celebrate Bana Mahotsav on 7th July. It was started by Dr. K. Munshi in 1950. This festival teaches us to plant more trees. In 2020, Uttar Pradesh planted 55 lakh trees. Trees are very important in our life. Trees give us food, oxygen and many other things. Tree plantation increase greenery and decrease air pollution. It minimizes to global warming and soil erosion. It brings rain in proper time and control children. So every year we celebrate Bana Mahotsav to make our planet green and clean. Plant a tree today for better tomorrow. Save tree and save earth. Thank you all.
Hello everybody, my name is Jarman Singh. I did in 2 class in Roshni Public School, Balangir. Jungle, 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 jungle. Jungle is the life. Jungle is the long. Jungle is the home. Jungle, 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 jungles. Birds are singing. Animals are dancing. Happy, happy playing together. Jungle, 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 jungle. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Snehara from class 4. I am going to say a poem about Van Mahotsav. पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ. पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ. छाया ये हमको देते हैं, फल ये हमको देते हैं, बाद से हमको बचाते हैं, प्रदूषण दूर हटाते हैं. पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ. लकड़ी कपड़ा फल फूल छाया, सब कुछ हमको पेड़ दिलाया, सब कुछ हमको पेड़ दिलाया. सच्चा साथी पेड़ ही है, जीवन को संवारा है. ये नहीं तो हम ही नहीं, पेड़ लगाए काटे नहीं. पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ. बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ. Thank you.
Green tree plants green tree. Trees are and plants are our life. Trees do not harm, they simply grow. They are the one who are saving the world. In the spring you gave a bird place to rest. On your branches I saw a bird making nest. Trees are short, trees are tall, they look lovely as their leaves change in the fall.
आदरणीय शिक्षिका महोदय और मेरे प्रिय मित्र, सुप्रभात। मैं वैभवी नायक कक्षा 9वीं की छात्र आज आप सबके सामने पेड़ पर एक छोटी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं, हरा भरा ये देश बनाएं। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं, हरा भरा ये देश बनाएं। वातावरण को स्वच्छ बनाकर इस जीवन को स्वस्थ बनाएं। वातावरण को स्वच्छ बनाकर इस जीवन को स्वस्थ बनाएं। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं, आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं। पेड़ ना कोई कटने पाए, जंगल अब ना घटने पाए। पेड़ ना कोई कटने पाए, जंगल अब ना घटने पाए। मिलकर हम ये कसम निभाएं, आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं, आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं। ना करो पर्यावरण का निरादर, ना करो पर्यावरण का निरादर। ये धरती का अपमान है, ये धरती का अपमान है। हर एक पशु पक्षी और पेड़ पौधे इस धरती का सम्मान है, इस धरती का सम्मान है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all, Honorable Principal Ma'am, humble AO Sir, respected teachers and my loving brothers and sisters. This is Ananya Kumar of class 10th, Roshni Public School, Balangir, Odisha, going to deliver a speech in this Van Mahotsav week. Van Mahotsav may seem valueless to many of us. This proves that how selfish we humans are. We don't give anything to the plants, still the plants sacrifices their everything for us. Let us consider a daily life situation when we pay a doctor and he gives us oxygen for only a few minutes. Still, we tag him as our God and respect him forever. But the plants which gives us free of oxygen for our daily life, we didn't even appreciate it for a single day. Suppose someone takes our things and even betray us. Would we let him to go? Obviously not. We will take our revenge. But when we use the axe made of the plant's wood to cut it instead, the plant says nothing. What a dumb a plant is. But actually, it's great. From standard 1, we all are learning that plants have life. So why can't we feel their pain when we make their barks bleed? Actually, one can only harm a plant but can't kill it because its strength is hidden inside the Mother Earth's crust. And it is very, very difficult to kill it. At last, but not the least, I want to say that in this Van Mahotsav week, if you can't plant a tree, at least don't harm a tree, because 1 week is not sufficient to thank the trees for their essentials. And always remember one thing, that if you kill the trees, then the nature will kill you. By saying this, I concluded my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Rajkumari Behra, class 2, Roshni Public School, Balangir. Good morning to all. Respected India, respected sir, madam, and principal. I salute to the corona fighters. Today I am going to talk about Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is a tree planting festival of celebrated between 1st to 7th July every year. Van Mahotsav movement started by K.M. Munshi in the year 1950. It is also known as Festival of Forest. Millions of saplings are planted वन हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि वन हमें बहुत सारे जरूरी चीजें देता है। वन महोत्सव हमें प्रकृति के लिए जोड़ता है और हमें पेड़ कभी नहीं काटना चाहिए। पेड़ नहीं होता तो हमारा जीवन बहुत कठिन होता। व्यक्ति को अपने जीवन में पेड़ जरूर लगाना चाहिए। पेड़ पौधों की करो रखवाली, भी आएगी सुंदर हरियाली।
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear component. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Van Mahotsav. It is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1st July till 7th July. It was started on 21st August 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to spread awareness among the people. Van Mahotsav is also known as the Tree Festival or the Festival of Life. Trees are the most precious gift given to mankind and it is our duty to save it. But man is destroying for his own selfish need. He is cutting down the trees and we are steadily moving towards the path of destroying. At last, my dear brothers and sisters, we all take the environment clean and safe. Wish you a very happy Van Mahotsav day. Love nature, save trees, save life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, मैं से लेती नंदास. I come from Roshni Public School. I study in class 1. Today I sing a poem on tree. मैं हूँ पेड़, मत काटो. मुझे टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में मत काटो. मुझे भी दर्द होता है, मेरा मन भी रोता है. मैं हूँ मित्र तुम्हारा, सखा हूँ सबसे न्यारा. मेरा फल मैं खुद नहीं खा जाता हूँ, सब तुम्हें ही तो दे जाता हूँ. जहरीली गैस पी जाता हूँ, शुद्ध हवा मैं तुमको देता हूँ. सूरज का ताप सहता हूँ, मैं ही जीवन का आधार हूँ. कान खोल कर सुन लो सब, वृक्ष का सम्मान करो, क्योंकि मैं ही जीवन का आधार हूँ. बंजर धरती करे पुकार, पेड़ लगाकर करो सिंगार. पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ बचाओ. थैंक यू ऑल.
Hello everyone, I am Sansita. I am reading class 7. My school name is Roshni Public School and now I am going to talk few words about the special occasion Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival of India. It was celebrated from 1st July to 7th July every year. It was started from 1950s by K.M. Munshi. This festival marks the creations and celebrations of new life. Trees are very important for us as they give wood, food, paper and many other things. Many NGOs, government agencies and school students make posters and plant a sapling to spread love for nature. At least every day should be Van Mahotsav day. And the end, I would like to say that save tree, save a life. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Priyanka Sakau, class 7, standing before you to say something on the topic Van Mahotsav. First of all, what do you mean by Van Mahotsav? Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival celebrated in India in the first week of July. This movement was initiated in the year 1950 by the India's Union Minister for Agriculture, Dr. K.M. Munshi. This movement has gained national of immense, and every year millions of saplings are planted all over the India in the Van Mahotsav week. The name Van Mahotsav means the festival of tree.
It was begun in July 1947. It is expected that every citizen of India has to plant a tree or sapling in the Van Mahotsav week. It also helps us to spread the awareness among the people about the harm caused due to cutting down of trees. People celebrate this festival by planting a sapling or tree in their home, offices, school, college, etc. Planting trees during this festival provides our various purposes like alternative fuel, increase of production of food resources. It helps us to create shelter belt around the field to increase productivity, provide food for cattle, and offer shade and democratic landscape. It also conserves soil erosion. Planting tree is the best way to prevent global warming, and it reduces pollution, and it also gives us fresh oxygen. At last, I want to say that save environment, save nature. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear loving brothers and sisters. Myself Ayush Mahakur from class 9 and today I am going to say something about Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is a annual tree planting festival in India celebrated in the first week of July. Van Mahotsav means the festival of tree. It was initiated in the year 1950 by the India's Union of Minister for Agriculture, Dr. Kulpati K.M. Munshi. The festival gained immense national importance, and every year the festival was simultaneously celebrated in number of states in India. Today, when we go out, we saw less than 10 trees in our park. Several trees are being cut for several reasons, for industries, agriculture, roads, building, etc. It was expected that every citizen of India will plant a sapling in the Van Mahotsav week. It helped to spread awareness among the people about the harms caused by cutting down of trees. People celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting a tree or sapling in their home, colleges, school, offices, etc. Awareness campaign held at various levels. Novel promotions such as free cultivation of tree was taken up by many organizations and volunteers. Planting tree during the festival serve various purposes like provide alternate fuel, increase in the production of food resource, create shelter belt around the field to increase the productivity, the offer shades and decorative landscape. It also helps to conserve soil deteriorations and many more. The festival educates the awareness among the people to and portrays the need of planting and tending of tree, as tree is the best way to prevent global warming and reduce pollution. That's why Van Mahotsav is also known as the Festival of Life. We are the future of our country, and it's our turn to save the earth by planting tree in the future for the future generation. By saying this, I conclude my speech. Thank you and wish you all have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Sriyansi Misra. I study in class UKG. आज मैं एक कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ. उस कविता का नाम है पेड़ लगाओ पेड़ लगाओ. चलिए हम कविता शुरू करते हैं. पेड़ लगाओ हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ. छाया ही हमको देता है, फल ही हमको देता है, बाढ़ से हमको बचाता है, प्रदूषण को दूर भगाता है. हम भी पेड़ लगाएंगे, हरा भरा बनाएंगे. थैंक यू.
मेरा नाम संसिता साहू है. मैं क्लास 7 में पढ़ती हूँ. मेरा स्कूल का नाम रोशनी पब्लिक स्कूल है और मैं अब एक सुंदर सा कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ पेड़ के बारे में. वृक्ष लगाओ वन में हरियाली लाओ. अपने जीवन को स्वच्छ बनाओ। वृक्ष लगाओ, वृक्ष लगाओ। आज संसार में मनुष्य ले रहे हैं वृक्षों की जान। क्या मनुष्य को नहीं पता कि वृक्षों से ही है सबकी शान। हमारे जीवन को स्वच्छ बनाने के लिए वृक्षों ने दिया बलिदान, फिर भी यह सब भूल कर ले रहे हैं इनकी जान। ईश्वर ने इन्हें बनाया हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए। हटा प्रदूषण वातावरण से देते हैं यह सब जीवन दान। वृक्ष लगाओ, वृक्ष लगाओ, अपने जीवन को स्वच्छ बनाओ। वृक्ष लगाओ, वृक्ष लगाओ, वन में हरियाली लाओ। धन्यवाद।